Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. How are you guys doing? Hi. So today guys, I'm here to do another reaction video to the J-pop group Happiness. This was a recent recommendation to their song Holiday. I do remember, I think the person name is Apollo because they comment a lot. A few times, not a lot, but a few times. So because I know in the past, if I can remember correctly, Apollo gave me some recommendation, and at first it was a lot of girl group, like the teen lollipop girls. Not really my speed, but I do remember Happiness, and I think Happiness is like one of the groups that I actually. Get it on. Come on, J-pop. Yes. Yes. Holiday. I love the different color backgrounds. So colorful. That's one thing I love about the J-pop. They're so colorful.
So tell me what you want. What you want.
Get it on.
I got the beat.
I love that different color background. Love it. Yes. Oh, okay. So thank you so much for that, Apollo. That was a recommendation to listen to the J-pop girl group Happiness with their music video to the song Holiday. I really do like it. It's been a while since I reacted to Happiness. Maybe I stopped reacting to them because their videos keep getting blocked, so I have to go in and out watching their videos. But I love it. Thank you so much for it, Apollo. Thank you. This type of sexuality dancing, the dancing, the freakiness of it, I like. This lollipop other one, this cute girl, that screams pedophilia to me. That's why I don't really watch those other groups too much. But I like this. They look so hot. Love this group. I really do like this group. It's so hot. But thank you so much for that. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.